Lower noise carbon steel blade. Our cordless hair clippers gives you the freedom to shape, outline and create the cleanest look in the palm of your hands. Take control of the way you feel and your look with our hair cutting kit. The sharp, durable head can easily trim a variety of hairstyles. Powerful motor and sharp blade enable easily and quick cut without getting stuck in hair. Smooth, easy haircuts. You can hold the clippers for long time and your arm don't feel sore. It's perfect for traveling. Quiet, powerful rotary motor. The electric clippers motor is powerful enough to cut through even the thickest hair with ease. The teeth on the blade are tightly line up with each other to remove hair with no snagging or pulling. Whether you're pro in the shop or your family's barber, our goal is to deliver the best experience. Your ability to create is truly without limit. Truly take your barber skills to the next level with our clippers that has no limits in performance. A suitable gifts for men. Electric professional hair clipper LED display designed for smooth, quick, and precise clipping performance on all types of hair with long-lasting high-carbon enhanced self-sharpening precision stainless steel blade. Built-in digital display to show the remaining charge level as well as charging status and lubrication reminder indicators. Our ultra-high-definition LED display gives you all the information to ensure you're using the right speed and your power levels to do your thing without a hitch. High-capacity battery adjustable cutting length cordless design. Offers up to 5 hours of running time with charging 3 hours. LED light indicates battery level. The USB cable can compatible with any USB charger interface. You can walk away from the charger while using maximum mobility and convenience. The thumb taper lever on the left side enables easy haircut length adjusting from 0.5 mm to 2 mm. Making your haircut easy and funny and to give the freshest cuts to the men who walk the streets in confidence. Add to cart. Easy, cost-effective hair trimmer. Grooming at home. Low noise for stress-free grooming. Save time and money doing it yourself. Self-sharpening precision blades provide snag-free cutting. Our high-carbon blades remain sharp for smooth grooming that creates a pleasant experience for you. 20% more torque easily powers through thick coats quickly and comfortably. COMZIO hair clippers. Grooming kits are the brand of choice for those who seek high quality. The charging adapter, not included. Top reviews from the United States. Everything one could from a clipper. This is an exceptional clipper. It's got everything one could from a clipper: cord-free, smooth, quiet, LCD display with battery status and maintenance reminders, and 4 different trimming depth attachments. Very happy with my purchase, highly recommended.